Daily Language with Miss D. Armbrister. Objectives. Today, boys and girls, you're going to learn a lot. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to compare nouns using adjectives. You will also be able to compare and contrast two items. Adjectives that compare. We can use adjectives to compare nouns. Below, we have 3 sentences. Jan is tall. The adjective there is positive. Jane is taller. There is a comparative adjective, which is taller. Jack is the tallest boy in the class. Tallest is superlative. So therefore, we can use tall, taller, and tallest to compare John, Jane, and Jack. Can you find the adjective in this sentence? Let's read the first sentence. Shawnee Miller, Yubo, ran the fastest in the race. Do you see an adjective there? An adjective that compares? Yes, fastest. A tennis ball is smaller than a basketball. Very good. Smaller is the adjective. Can you fix this sentence? My house is the most biggest house in the community. Okay, let's take a look. The most biggest house? Something seems wrong there. It should be, my house is the biggest house in the community. Saying the most biggest is incorrect. Compare and contrast. When we compare 2 or more things, we tell how they are alike. When we contrast, we tell how things are different. Let's talk about apples and bananas. How are apples and bananas alike, and how are they different? Here we have a Venn diagram. And think about the ways that apples and bananas are different. Apples are hard. They are round. We can eat the skin of apples. And they do not grow in the Bahamas. Now, let's look at bananas. Bananas are soft, long. We cannot eat the skin, but they do grow in the Bahamas. Now, how are apples and bananas alike? They are fruits. Excellent job. I know that you can think of other ways that apples and bananas are alike and other ways that they are different. Let's review. Today we looked at adjectives that compare. We also looked at compare and contrast. And we know that when we compare and contrast, we tell how some things are different and how some things are the same. Thank you, boys and girls, for listening and paying attention. I hope that you learned a lot.